We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of AMERZEST 1.5FT artificial mini Christmas tree, blue fir snow flocked spruce tabletop, Xmas tree unlit, decorated burlap no lights. Non-pre-lit. Highlight features or overview summary are include: fir tree, 1.5 foot and 12 inches wide, unlit, snow branches, shape of the Colorado blue spruce. Realistic feel, PVC PE classic needles, composed of blue fir spruce branch tips. Fire resistant and non-allergenic. Attractive design, many blue fir Christmas trees can bring you a vibrant holiday atmosphere, make your home look happy and enjoy your Christmas. Easy setup, sets up quickly and easily. For its most lush and full form, please allow 3 minutes to fluff the tree. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.